Wow, here we go. 1976 Trail 90 that I believe, in my perspective, better than new based on what we've got here. It is no longer 90 cc's, but it's got the stroker kit in it, all fresh, rebuilt, ready to go, and it's 120 cc's. So still, retains the original look. I'm going to come in a bit closer here because it's such a beautiful bike. You're going to see that some of it has been professionally repainted in a body shop, but we really wanted to keep that original patina wherever we could. So you may see in the frame here, like, wow, the paint's just a little bit older, but it still looks good. And you're going to see like original paint still here on the rear fender. I'm going to give you an up close all the way around here. We've got new tires. Tubes, brakes. I mean, it is ready to go. Whether you're just going to show it or take it up in the hills, that's up to you, but you're not going to find a better 1976 with a clean title ready to go. This is just a phenomenal restoration. Wow. I'm just going to keep going around here so you can see better the condition of this bike. How well it's been taken care of. Anything that it needed has been done. All the way down to the most minor details. Wow, look at the undercarriage even. We're going to have another video where we go for a ride here as well. But while I've got you here, I would like to go ahead and just a moment we're going to do a cold start on it, just so you can see how she runs and how she starts. So let's go ahead and fire it up. One area I did not video very well yet, though, is the cluster area. Look at that, even the original arrow that's supposed to be on there. Wow. Okay, let's go ahead and fire it up.
Turn on the key. Choke on.
Make sure I don't miss anything in this video that maybe you want to see. It's going to be a rare bidding opportunity here.
I believe.
All right. Well, yep, horn works. Everything works as it should. You can see the lights are on there identifying we're in neutral right now. We're going to have another video here so you can see what this bike is like on the road. Hope you enjoyed today.